A little light makes a huge difference. This is our winter park project. This is the hall bathroom. The electrician was in yesterday and got our vanity light hung for us. It totally lights up the space and really what we're looking for. What we've got in here, this is our vanity cabinet. So these are the same as what the kitchen cabinets were, where the drawers and door fronts and the side panel are a different color than what the actual cabinet is. So this is this right here. So is our actual cabinet color. And whenever they replace the door and drawer fronts, that'll all be taken care of. So that also leaves us the filler strip that we've got to put in down here. So those will all be taken care of. Countertops have already been templated. So now you get a chance to actually see how the tile looks with a lot of light on it. So actually I love the way this came out. So for this bathroom, I love the in and the outs, a little inconsistency. So it gives it some character, and in this community, that character fits right in. So stay tuned to see as we go ahead and put this back together. A little light makes a huge difference. This is our winter park project. This is the hall bathroom. The electrician was in yesterday and got our vanity light